Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai work permits and the specific context of permanent residence. Now, what are we talking about here when I say holes, or when the title of this video says holes in in a Thai work permit? Well, work permits are generally issued in 1-year time frames. They can be issued for less time, 6 months or 90 days. They can even be issued in increments of days in a temporary scenario. Moreover, they can also, in certain cases, be issued with 2 years of validity at each renewal. The 2-year validity is relatively rare, but it can happen. That being said, your routine cases, you're going to see work permits that are extended on a yearly basis. Now, with respect to holes, what are we talking about? Well, the work permit is not directly connected to the business visa. So one can have a business visa, they can be getting extensions on it, everything's going fine with that. But a work permit might have a separate expiration date from that of a B visa, and I've seen this happen rather frequently. People just forget to renew their work permit, and it will expire, and you've got to go in and reapply for a new work permit, and that period of time between the expiration of the one permit and the reapplication for a new permit is sort of a hole in one's work authorization. There's this period of time where one was not technically work authorized. This is why it's a really good idea to keep track of your work permit expiration date and make certain that an application is made prior to that expiration date for renewal of that work permit. But that being said, this does happen. And it can have rather substantial repercussions with respect to permanent residence applications. What am I talking about? Well, one of the requirements for Thai permanent residence in routine cases is that the applicant have 3 years of contiguous visa status, as well as 3 years of continuous work permit status. And in the circumstance where a hole has come up in one's work permit, that basically restarts the clock for another 3 years before one can apply for Thai permanent residence. So the thing to take away from this video is those who are in Thailand and they've been here a couple of years and they're pretty serious about one day applying for PR, they need to go ahead and be pretty diligent with respect to vigilantly watching the expiration date of not only their visas but also their work permits, because an expiration of a work permit and a hole, notwithstanding the fact that one's immigration status might have gone unbroken, can still result in the need, or I should say, can still result in a delay with respect to a Thai permanent residence application due to the fact that the 3 years contiguous work authorization is not met in a subsequent permanent residence application.